There's a few different ways to install Jupyter Lab. We did actually first install Python. And so the reason we installed Python was to have access to its package manager. Now, you're going to have to do this through the command prompt, which not everyone's going to have comfort with, but I do have a hyperlink in here as well, kind of talking you through some of the ways in which you can access and navigate the command prompt. But once you're there, you just type this pip install Jupyter Lab and it'll place it on your machine. And then in order to access Jupyter Lab, you're going to want to once again navigate within the command prompt environment. You're going to want to navigate to wherever it is that you have stuff that you want to work with. And then at the command prompt, you just type Jupyter Lab and you have access. It'll spin up whatever your default browser is.
Do it.
So make sure to install Python. Again, I already have it installed, but there should be a typical kind of go through, and that'll walk you through, if you're on a Windows-based machine, that'll walk you through the steps necessary in order to install Python locally on your machine. So I'm going to just look for my command prompt. Once Python is installed, it shouldn't matter where I am. I should be able to access this from any command prompt, any directory. And there's like no way this is going to work, is there?
A few moments later.
I think we can just say Jupyter Lab. So I'm going to try just typing Jupyter Lab. Let's see if we have access to it. There we go. Wow, look at that.